Cause and effects. What is cause and effects? Cause is the logical or scientific reason of an event that has occurred, and effects to this cause are the consequences of that event. We will discussing different types of question covered in this topic. First, statement and direction based question, and second, direct cause and effect based question. Necessary condition. Necessary condition for an event to take place is that condition without which the event will not occur. And sufficient condition. Sufficient condition for an event to take place is that condition under whose presence the event must occur. Let's take an example to understand. For life to exist on earth, we require air, water and food. And the condition of air, water and food together makes sufficient condition for life to exist on earth. But individually they are necessary condition for life to exist on earth. Therefore we can say that there may be more than one necessary condition for the occurrence of an event, and all those necessary conditions must be included in the sufficient conditions. Different types of causes. First, immediate cause. It immediately preceded the effect. In other words, I can say immediate causes are the most approximate in time to the effect. Second, principal cause. It is the most important reason behind the effect. And third, common cause. Two effects given in two statements may be caused by a third unmentioned event, which may be called the common cause of the given events. Now we will practice statement and direction based question. In this type of question, two statements are given and we have to identify whether they are independent causes or effects of independent causes or a common causes, and accordingly have to select the answer. Statement A. The government has decided to increase the prices of LPG cylinders with immediate effect. Statement B. The government has decided to increase the prices of the kerosene with immediate effect. It seems the price of petroleum has increased in general. Alternatively, subsidies may have been reduced. Again, a cause common to both the statements. Hence, the answer is both statements are effects of some common cause. Statement A. Party X won clear majority in the recently held state assembly election. Statement B. Of late, there was unrest in public and also among the members of the ruling party of the state. It can be safely assumed that Party X was earlier in the opposition and has benefited from anti-incumbency, but A and B are consequences of a common cause, that is bad governance by the ruling party. That's why both statements are effect of some common cause. Statement A. Staff members of the university decided to go on strike in protest during the examination. Statement B. The university administration made all the arrangements for a smooth conduct of examination with the help of outsiders. Statement A is the cause and statement B is its effect. Because since the staff member on a strike, the help of outsider has been sought. Statement A. In the university examination, overall performance of the students from the college X was better than that of the student from the college Y. Statement B. Majority of the students depend upon coaching classes from university examination. Statement A seems to have happened as X is a better college. Statement B seems to be the result of the falling standard of the teachings in the college. That's why both statements are effects of the independent causes. Statement A. The government of state X decided to ban working of women in night shift and also in late evening hours. Statement B. The percentage of working women has a significant rise in the last one decade. Statement A might have happened because harassment of women is on the rise, while statement B seems to be the result of a change in gender role perception. Hence, the both statements are effects of independent causes. Now we will practice direct cause and effect based question. In this type of question, a cause and effect is given followed by 4 to 5 options, and we have to choose the correct effect and cause from the option which suits the given statement most. Cause: the government has recently increased its tax on petrol and diesel by about 10%. Now we have to find which of the following can be the possible effect of the above cause. Option A. The petroleum companies will reduce the prices of petrol and diesel by about 10%. Option B. The petroleum companies will increase the price of petrol and diesel by about 10%. Option C. The petroleum companies will increase the prices of petrol and diesel by about 5%. Option D. The petrol pumps will stop selling petrol and diesel till the taxes are rolled back by the government. And option E. None of the above. Companies may hike the price to cover the loss because of the increased tax. But increase in the price is totally the matter of the company. We cannot make any guesses about it. Hence the answer is option 5, none of the above. Effect: majority of the employees of the ailing organization opted for voluntary retirement scheme and left the organization with all their retirement benefits within a fortnight of launching the scheme. Now we have to find out which of the following can be the probable cause of the above effect. Option A. The company has been making hug losses for the past 5 years and is unable to pay salary to its employees in time. Option B. The management of the company made hug personal gains through unlawful activities. Option C. One of the competition of the companies went bankrupt last year. Option D. The company owns large tracts of lands in the state which will fetch hug sums of its owner. And option E. None of the above. If we look at the option A, the company has been making hug losses for the past 5 years and it is unable to pay the salary to its employee in time. It should be the obvious cause of the given effect. Hence the answer is option A. Effect: at least 20 school children were seriously injured while going for a school picnic during the weekend. Now which of the following can be the probable cause of the above effect? Option A. The teacher accompanying the school children fell ill during the journey. Option B. The bus in which the children were traveling met with an accident while taking turn on the main highway. Option C. The driver of the bus in which the children were traveling did not report after the break at the halting place on their journey. Option D. The school authority banned all school picnics for the next 6 months with the immediate effect. And option E. None of the above. We often hear of accidents leading to such injuries, and accident is mentioned in option B. Hence the correct option is B. Cause: government has recently decided to hike the procurement price of paddy for the rabi crops. Now which of the following will be the possible effect of the above cause? Option A. The farmers may be encouraged to cultivate paddy for the rabi season. Option B. The farmers may switch over to other cash crops in their paddy fields. Option C. There was a drop in production of paddy during the Kharif season. Option D. Government may not increase the procurement price of paddy during the next Kharif season. And option E. Government will buy paddy from the open market during the next few months. If we look at the option A, the farmers may be encouraged to cultivate paddy for the Rabi season. The decision of hiking the procurement price of a crop may encourage the farmers to cultivate it. Hence option A is the correct option. Cause: a severe cyclonic storm swept away most part of the state during the last 2 days. Now we have to find out which of the following cannot be a possible effect of the above cause. Option A. Heavy rainfalls was reported in most parts of the state during the last 2 days. Option B. Many people were rendered homeless as their houses were flown away. Option C. The communication system of the state was severely affected and continues to be out of gear. Option D. Government has ordered that all the offices and schools should be kept open. And option E. All above are possible effects. In such a cataclysmic scenario, the government is likely to order the closure of offices and schools. Hence, the correct option is option D.